In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a customs declaration in Shippo. If you're shipping internationally, customs information tells border officials exactly what's in your package and how much it's worth. Getting this right helps prevent delays, surprise fees, and returned shipments, so let's walk through it step by step on the Shippo web dashboard. First, start an international shipment. In your Shippo account, head to the Orders or Shipments page. You can select an existing order that's going to a different country, or create a new shipment and set the destination country outside your own. Make sure the destination is truly international. That's what unlocks the customs workflow in the label process. Next, during the label creation flow, look for the section labeled Customs Options or Customs Items. When you see it, click Add Customs Item. Think of each customs item as one product type in your box. If you have multiple identical items, you'll use the quantity field rather than creating separate lines. Now enter the item details carefully. For the description, be specific, like men's cotton t-shirt, instead of a vague shirt. Add the quantity and include an SKU if you use one. Enter the weight per item, not the full package weight, and the value per item, which is typically the price paid or your declared value. Finally, choose the country of origin, meaning where the item was manufactured. Specific, honest details reduce the risk of customs holds, so avoid generic descriptions, double-check your units, and keep currency values consistent with your order records. You'll also see additional custom settings to finish the declaration. Content type is typically set to merchandise for sold goods. For Incoterm, choose whether you want DDU, meaning the recipient pays duties and taxes upon delivery, or DDP, meaning you pay them as the sender. Pick the option that matches your customer promise. Then choose a non-delivery option, such as returning the shipment or abandoning it if the carrier can't deliver. Take a moment here. These selections can affect cost, transit time, and customer experience. When your customs details look good, continue as usual and buy the international label. Shippo will attach your customs data to the label and, when supported by the carrier and destination, generate the commercial invoice automatically or send the data electronically. If you need a commercial invoice copy, after purchase go to your Orders or Shipments page, find the international shipment, select More Options, and download the commercial invoice. Some carriers don't require a printed invoice because they support paperless trade, while others still do, so follow the carrier's guidance. That's it. Your customs declaration in Shippo is complete and ready to ship.